Welcome back to my channel. Today's video features a problem from the 18th Philippine Math Olympiad qualifying stage. Suppose a function f from R to R satisfies the following conditions. F of 4xy is equal to 2y times f of x plus y plus f of x minus y for all x and y elements of the set of real numbers. And f of 5 is equal to 3. Find the value of f of 2015. Alright. Let us start by extracting some more information about the functional equation by plugging in some selected values of x and y. Let us start by letting x be equal to y be equal to 0. So let x be equal to y be equal to 0. I am doing this because I observe that if we let x and y be equal to 0, we have f of 0 equals 2 times 0 times f of 0 plus f of 0, which yields f of 0 equals 0. So let's put this aside and plug in another value for x. Now let's plug in x equals 0. Let x be equal to 0. So we have f of 0 equals 2y times f of 0 plus y plus f of 0 minus y. So we have f of 0 equals 2y times f of y plus f of negative y. But f of 0 is equal to 0, so we have 0 equals 2y times f of y plus f of negative y. Now for all y not equal to 0, f of y plus f of negative y is equal to 0. This is because if y is not equal to 0, we can just divide both sides by 2y, and so 2y cancels out, and so we are left with f of y plus f of negative y equals 0. Now this one is equivalent to f of negative y equals the negative of f of y. Now this implies that f is odd. Alright, so this is a very important information that we could use later on. Okay, now let's plug in x equals 1010 and y equals 1005. Why did I choose x equals 1010 and y equals 1005? Because if we do this, we come up with f of 2015 and f of 5. And take note, f of 2015 is what we are trying to find, and then f of 5 is also given here, which is equal to 3. So let me copy first the function. So the function is f of 4xy equals 2y times f of x plus y plus f of x minus y. Plugging in these numbers, we have f of 4 times 1010 times 1005 equals 2 times 1005 times f of 2015 plus f of 5. Alright, now take note that f of 5 is just equal to 3, right? It's given in the problem. So we have f of 4 times 1010 times 1005 equals 2 times 1005 times f of 2015 plus 3. Okay, next what I'm going to do is let y be equal to 1010 and x be equal to 1005. So let x be equal to 1005 this time and y equals 1010. Let's do the same process. So f of 4 times 1005 times 1010 is equal to 2 times 1010 times f of 2015 plus f of negative 5. Now, recall that f is odd. So, f of negative 5, take note, f of negative 5 is equal to the negative of f of 5 since f is odd. Alright, so we can replace f of negative 5 by the negative of f of 5. So we have f of 4 times 1005 times 1010 is equal to 2 times 1010 times f of 2015 minus f of 5. Again, f of 5 is just equal to 3. So we have f of 4 times 1005 times 1010 equals 2 times 1010 times f of 2015 minus 3. So now we can just equate this one and this one. Since this one is exactly the same as this, right? Now we have the equation two times 1005 times f of 2015 plus 3 equals 2 times 1010 times f of 2015. Okay, now we can cancel out 2 to simplify, and then let's distribute 1005 and 1010. So we have 1005 times f of 2015 plus 3 times 1005, that's 3015, equals 1010 times f of 2015 minus 3030. Now we can just combine like terms. We then have 3015 plus 3030 equals 1010 times f of 2015 minus 1005 times f of 2015. And so we have 6045 equals 5 times f of 2015. And finally, if we divide both sides by 5, we get the desired answer. So we have f of 2015, that's equal to 1209, and so this is our final answer.